Here are 5 bikes under 2 lakh rupees with a USB charging port. Honda CB300F. Priced at 1.70 lakh rupees ex-showroom, it has a 293.52cc engine, 6-speed transmission, and produces 24.13 bhp and 25.6 Nm of torque. Bajaj Pulsar NS200. Starting at 1.60 lakh rupees ex-showroom, it features a 199.5cc engine, 6-speed transmission, and delivers 24.5 bhp and 18.74 Nm of torque. Yamaha FZX. With a starting price of 1.37 lakh rupees ex-showroom, it comes with a 149cc engine, 5-speed transmission, and offers 12.4 bhp and 13.3 Nm of torque. TVS Ronin. Priced from 1.35 lakh rupees ex-showroom, it is equipped with a 225.9cc engine, 5-speed transmission, and produces 20.4 bhp and 19.93 Nm of torque. Hero Xtreme 160R. Costing 1.39 lakh rupees ex-showroom, it features a 163.2cc engine, 5-speed transmission, and delivers 16.9 bhp and 14.6 Nm of torque.